Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the garage. Yes, I am still here and still got both cars. It's been a while since I put a video out in November. Time flies when you're not drag racing. Mother Nature has not been very kind to me and our area. It's been a lot of rain here lately, and kind of missed my opportunity for some test and tunes. The very first weekend we had a great weekend, and I just didn't have the car ready. Our track now requires a front tow point on all cars, so I just didn't have that on. And I just got the intake manifold, the single plane, the M1 installed. And I didn't really road test it at all, so I didn't really want to rush it down to the track. But as far as I know, the car's ready, and now Mother Nature is just not cooperating. There's that little tow loop I made down there, just attach it to the K-frame. But intake's on, got a new throttle linkage set up there, just one of those Holly ones, and also replaced the mufflers. I have my H-pipe exhaust back on, but Flowmaster, well, knockoff Flowmasters are gone. Got a set of Cherrybomb Salute, and they're kind of like a Magnaflow knockoff. So I've been a little busy with the cars. It was really cold this winter, so I just wasn't out in the garage that much. There's no heat out here, so I figured it's pretty nice today, and I just got these mufflers on. I only heard it run here in the garage. I want to take it out and see how they sound. First impressions, they're not quite, you don't really hear the cam as much with these compared to the Flowmasters, so they still sound pretty good. It's a good deep sound. It's pretty crisp, so I think I'm going to put some turn downs on them to try to quiet them down just a little bit, because I don't have tailpipes. But throw the camera in the car. I'm just going to take it out for a little spin, maybe rip on it a little bit here and there, and see if you guys want to go along. All right, before I take it out, I'm going to do a little fire up and then a roll out, see what it sounds like. So, when am I going to the track? Well, looks like it's going to be in May, hopefully. Mopar day, which isn't really what I wanted. I wanted a test and tune day, but I mean, you got to take what you can get. We're probably going to run bracket. I don't know. Unless they have a test and tune lane, I might run that, but I'm afraid I won't get no runs. But I really want to see what this manifold will do. So I might just enter in the street class, run the 2 time runs full out. If it's too fast, if it goes under 1150, I ain't going to be able to bracket race like that because I don't have a roll bar in. They'll throw a fit about that. So I'll just have to get out of it at the end or do whatever. So, but we'll see. Maybe this manifold will slow it down and it won't even be an issue. Maybe I'll just run 1150s. Plus, I don't know what temperature it's going to be in May, but today it's like in the 80s already. So it's like it was winter and now it's like right to summer already. So I don't know. But everything on the car is ready as far as I can tell. No thermostat housing gasket leaks. Oh, no, I actually got the console back in too. I mean, it adds a little extra weight, but it just really completes the rest of the interior, obviously. And I got the full exhaust back on, and that's a little heavier as well. But, you know, it is what it is. So at this point, I just want to get to the track and just get a few numbers in. I don't really even care. Maybe by fall, you know, if I got to sort some things out, I'll get the collector extensions back on. We'll get some better weather, and then maybe I'll go for like a new best time or something. I just don't think it's going to happen now. So, in any case, I'm rambling. I'm going to get going. I got to get in the house, and appreciate you watching, going along for the ride, and hopefully in May, I'll catch you guys there down at the drag strip.